How to send expiring photo in Telegram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. To send a self-destructing photo on Telegram, follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Telegram account. Now, once inside the Telegram app, simply tap on the chat you want to send the expiring photo or self-destructing photo to. So here I'm choosing a random chat for now. Now, once inside the chat, all you have to do is tap on the link icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can simply choose the photo or click one. Once you have choose or click one, you can see one icon available with the circle at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now choose the stopwatch icon or timer duration according to your preferences and tap on the blue icon send button available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.